Hello friends, welcome to DB Tutorials. In this tutorial, let us see how to use goal seek of what if analysis in Excel. Goal seek of what if analysis is a built-in Excel feature that allows you to see how one data item in a formula impacts another. It's useful to answer what if type questions because you can adjust one cell entry to see the result. This feature is often used in finance, sales, HR and other forecasting scenarios. Now let us consider example like this. This is the result of the ongoing elections between three parties, and the condition to win the elections is that the party winning 2/3 of votes, that is 67% of votes, will win the elections. And now let us try for party 1 to win elections. So now to decide how many votes are required out of polled votes, you need to use the goal seek feature so that we can change the value of one variable and see how the results change. Let us apply the goal seek now. Go to Data tab in the menu bar. Click on What If Analysis and then select Goal Seek feature. In the Set Cell field, click the cell you want to change, that is C6. In the to value, enter the new what if amount, that is 67%, which is nothing but 2/3 proportion. We also need to tell Excel which cell to change. Since we wanted to know the number of votes for party 1, now we will select B6 cell. Click OK. Now Excel will overwrite the previous cell value 5300 with the new one, that is 11,720 votes. If we wish to accept this new value, click on this OK button. Okay, so in this way you can find out how many votes are required to fetch the 67% of the vote share of the total votes that are getting polled. Now you can see this total votes as 11,720 votes required for party 1 to win these elections. So friends, this is all about how to use goal seek of what if analysis in Excel. I hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial. If yes, please do give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe DB Tutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.